After I discovered this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. For our tip today, we will use 3 small plastic cups. And then we're going to add salt, enough to almost complete the glasses, just like I'm doing here. Coarse salt is what makes this tip effective, by keeping the other items active and acting on the environment. It is very simple, and you will have the house smelling good for many days. After adding the optimal amount of coarse salt, I will now also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol, being the ideal amount for each of the glasses. Remember that alcohol is responsible for exhaling the smell throughout the environment and also helps scare away insects. Now we will also use the disinfectant, using an aroma for each of the glasses, thus using different scents for different rooms of your home. If necessary, you can mix and even add another amount of coarse salt. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Christina Cayan from Romania. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After I learned this, I improved the smell of all the environments in my house. I am sure you will be surprised by the result of this mixture, and every visit to your home will ask you what the secret to having the house fully perfumed. This advice, I myself use in the kitchen, in the living room, especially in the bathroom, and it is also possible to use in your room, always bringing the smell of clean clothes. To finish today's tip, I will add some cloves, are also very responsible for exhaling the smell around your home. Just putting some cloves in some environment of your home, you already notice the difference in the full of the environment. Already in this tip, they will help in improving the smell and even when scaring insects. Even after cleaning my house, I still keep this tip, further extending the smell of cleanliness. This advice will surely be very useful, and for at least 30 days you will have the house smelling good, and with a simple tip to do, in addition to having a low cost. I'm sure you will be surprised by the result of this mixture. Tell me later if you got the desired result for use in your home. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.